Guys, in this video I want to share with you guys about a strange Siri behavior that it simply won't open the camera on the lock screen, but it's happy to simply open the camera to take a photo. So let's take a look at this. Hey Siri, open camera.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Okay, so hey Siri, take a photo. Hey Siri, take a photo. So you can see that if I ask it to open the camera to take a photo, it's okay with that. But if I ask it to open the camera, it says I need to unlock the screen. So that is kind of strange to me. If you guys know the reason why, please leave a comment in the comment section. Open. So now I will go back into my home screen. Open. And in here you can see once I unlock my phone, then I can ask Siri to open the camera. Hey Siri, open the camera. And there you go. So yeah, again, if you do know the reason why, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.